Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp Web not downloading videos. If WhatsApp Web is not downloading videos, the problem is usually related to your browser, internet connection, storage, or the video's availability. So here are the most effective fixes. So first is to check your internet connection. So go to the bottom and click Wi-Fi, then open it. So in here, make sure your internet connection is stable. You can also try opening another website to confirm your connection is working. You can then refresh WhatsApp Web and try downloading again. So click the refresh button, then try again and see if that works. Next is to verify your phone is connected. So WhatsApp Web depends on your WhatsApp account being properly synced. So open WhatsApp on your phone, then ensure it has an internet connection. Wait for a few moments for messages and media to sync. Next is to try a different browser. So if you're using one browser, you can try Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, etc. So if downloads work in another browser, the issue is likely browser specific. Next is to clear browser cache. So a corrupted cache can prevent downloads. So to do this, click the three dots in the top right corner. Now scroll down and look for delete browsing data. Click on that. Now at the top, select the time frame. So here you have 7 days, last hour, etc. Then at the bottom, make sure you check cache images and files and also cookies and other site data. Then click delete data at the bottom. You can then restart the browser and sign back into WhatsApp Web if necessary. Then see if that works. Next is to update your browser. So using an outdated browser may cause compatibility issues. So click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to the bottom, then go to help. Then from here, go to about Google Chrome, click on that. Then in here, update Google Chrome to the latest version or whatever browser you're using. Then restart the browser afterward and open WhatsApp and see if that works. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.